Table number 2 will present scenario number 2. Here's the scenario. Client B, Board Secretary of CKI Corporation, wants to open a corporate account at your branch. What are the requisites for opening a corporate account? How should you conduct proper KYC for corporate account? Action.
Yes, good morning. Where's your manager? Good morning, ma'am. I'm sorry, our manager ay nasa field na po, pero pwede po kayong pumasok, ma-assist po kayo ng account namin. Good afternoon. Hello, I'm Celine. I want to open an account.
I can refer you to our new account seller. Have a seat, please. This is Lani from our new account seller.
Hi, hello ma'am.
Let me fix my first.
Hi, hello ma'am. How are you ma'am?
I'm good.
So ano pong i-open niyo ma'am? Anong type of account?
Current account po.
Okay, Karen. Then, ilan kayo mga signatories ma'am?
Tatlo. Yung isa, alternate lang.
Okay. Meron kami mga requirements ma'am. Ano yan? Corporate? Single? Or ano yun?
Corporate account na gusto natin i-open.
Corporate. Ano yung pangalan ma'am? CKI Corporation. Ano yun ma'am? Hindi ka malaman?
C stands for Celine.
Okay. Celine Dion. Ano ba yan? Sige, mag-i-complete to ma'am. Okay. Sige ma'am. Bigyan kita ng mga requirements ma'am. Ito po yung...
Ano yung mga requirements?
Ito po yung list ng requirements ma'am.
Ang dami ito.
Lahat kayo ma'am, isa-isa kayo ng picture. Then, meron pa kayong corporate articles of incorporation, bylaws, and facts. Safe registration, corporate resolution, corporate account. Ito ma'am, gusto mo.
Ano nga mga requirements? Paano yung mag-open? Dito yung mga signatories and sa approve?
Okay, nandun sa ako. Sige ma'am, i-rate ko din kita ma'am sa amin. Okay, sige. Okay. Ito pa yung mga form, ma'am. Ipipil up mo, ma'am. Lahat yun, ipipil up mo, ma'am. Yung name, yung address, yung signatories, ma'am. Ito yung sa corporation, ma'am. Then yung single, ito yung ipipil up mo, ma'am.
Right away,
Hindi yun pwede, ma'am. Kinakailangan yung face-to-face, ma'am. So, kinakailangan kung hindi sila dito, ma'am. Sige. Okay. Okay, maraming salamat, ma'am.